I feel like when we start recording, you should do that thing from Wayne's World. 5, 4, 3.
Like count it in like that. 2,
Yeah.
3, 2. Oh wait, I did that wrong because you got it. 3, 2.
I thought you stopped like talking at 2.
Oh, okay. So I'll back it up.
We're gonna have to watch Wayne's World to figure this out.
We will
Never actually watch.
Okay, let's try this from 5, 4, 3.
Hi everybody, and welcome to a special episode of the Asp.Net Monsters. In today's episode, we're going to reveal to you the subject of our next contest, and boy, it's a doozy.
It sure is.
To rehash our previous contests, we've done 2 before, and people have solved them in far less time than we anticipated, including our super ridiculously hard contest, which was solved in a matter of like, was it 6 days?
I think
like
it was
that?
like 6 days or something. We didn't even make it.
We had months with this one.
Yeah.
We planned that out for 6 months. So we have learned our lesson this time, and we are no longer relying on our viewers to be as dumb as us. But we are relying on our viewers now to be creative. So we've switched over from assuming that everybody's as dumb as us to knowing that everybody is more creative than us.
It's from a position of humility instead of a position of ego where we assume that we've got them beat. No. We're turning it on its head, and this time we're getting everybody to make to fork a repo that we have and create their own version of a ridiculous configuration source for ASP.NET Core.
Right. So if you saw episode 50, that's out already, right?
Yeah. Well, by the time this airs, it will be out. Yes.
Okay. Perfect. So if you saw episode 50, you'll see that James has built a configuration source for ASP.NET Core, which reads white space areas from images. It's brilliant, and it is totally useless. And
I'm actually showing.
Sorry, okay, I mean maybe it's useful. I feel like it's useless.
I'm actually sharing the view of it right now, and you can see here. Viewers will see that there is. It's called the Summer of Config contest, and there's a few things you have to do, but it is based on episode 50, where yes, you could actually change the pixels inside, like using like paint.net or something, and that would actually change the configuration, and it automatically detected file system changes. It was crazy. It didn't really make a lot of sense, to be completely honest.
So the goal here is to one-up us. We want to see the most ridiculous configuration source you can possibly imagine. And I don't know what that's going to be, but I bet you it's going to be something crazy.
Dave, give us a couple of ideas here.
Well, James did the image one, so maybe it's something that uses video, or maybe it's completely crazy and using audio and trying to convert that to text and using something in Azure to convert that to an intent, and then in turn changing some setting in your website. Who knows?
We're looking for complicated, elaborate, nonsensical, impractical, like those are the kind, and just uber creative, right? That's the idea.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so there are a couple rules, couple things you got to do to enter. I will bring this back into frame right here. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to fork from our repo on GitHub. So this is out there already. It's github.com, ASP.NET Monsters, Summer of Config. We'll have the links in the show notes. You need to fork this guy, and then you need to do your implementation. So that's the write your code part. And then we want you to tweet out to us and say, hey, ASP.NET Monsters, I can config ASP.NET Core from, and then whatever you're configuring it from. So I can configure ASP.NET Core from an SMS message, or by closing the door to Narnia, whatever it is, and add a link in that tweet back to your repo. Okay, and then there's a form that you have to fill out. We're just going to collect a couple of details so we can contact you if and when you win, because I guarantee somebody is going to win. It's going to be awesome. We close the contest August 30th at 7:56 p.m. Central, so have your entries in by then. We are evaluating at 8 o'clock, so it has to be closed at August 30th, 7:56 p.m. Central. And we understand as well that some places don't let you do this kind of contest thing. So that's up to you, dear viewer. If it's not legal for you to win things, then you're ineligible to play.
We're looking at you, Quebec.
That's about what we got. So we're super excited. We have some great prizes. Our friends over at Telerik have pitched in licenses for their awesome DevCraft Complete, including a 1-year support and update subscription. Microsoft is sending us some swag, and we are getting a signed photo from John Galloway, who might also make you a custom ringtone. We're going to push him for this. We're going to get him to do a custom ringtone, and he will say, like Dave, if you win, he could say, "This is John Galloway," and Dave Paquette's phone is ringing.
I might never answer my phone, though. I just listen to it ring all the time.
Just listen to it. Okay. Anything else we need to hit on this time, guys?
No, I don't think so. We're really looking forward to seeing what people have.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
awesome. Okay, thanks a lot for tuning in to hear about this contest, everyone. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.